To switch on or off flashlight on the Redmi Note 14S, there are two ways to do this. The first one and the classic way to do this is simply by going into the quick settings right here, and there is the button with the flashlight. Simply by pressing it, it will enable the flashlight. And let me just show you. Now the flashlight is enabled. Let's press this one again, and it is disabled. So this is the first one to do this, the first method to do this, and the second one is by performing a shortcut with the power button. And first of all, you'll need to enable it, so let's go into the settings. From here, you will have to scroll all the way down and go for the additional settings. As you are there, go for the gesture shortcuts, and right here you can find turn on flashlight. Let's go in there, and here's the switch to enable this shortcut. And as you can see, it is the double press for the power button to enable or disable the flashlight. So let me quickly show you. As I double tap, double press this button, the flashlight enables, and as I do this again, it disables. And that's how you can do this.